Wei, I have something for you.
What is it?
Dead triads. 6 of them in the past few months. All found by the water. All sliced open.
Well, what do the investigators think?
What investigators? You think HKPD puts a lot of effort into solving dead gangsters?
Well, so what, they're not people now?
This is why I'm coming to you. We just found 3 new bodies under the Aberdeen Bridge. Get down there and take a look around. And Wei, uniform officers on the scene say at least one of them is from your crew.
What? You positive?
Keep your head on straight, officer. And your eyes open.
You look at the openers. Yeah, but that's not the guy. It's Wen Shen Cheng, not Win Shen Cheng. Yeah, book Cheng.
My curry fish balls will blow
Serve it
your
up.
mind! Tell everyone you know, my curry fish balls will blow their minds. Unbelievable curry fish balls! You have to try them! You have to!
What? Can I help you? Here you go.
Mrs. Chu?
你知冇啊 ？Sammy 佢細個嗰陣，佢每日都喺呢個廚房度食嘢，坐喺嗰度靜靜地食飯。而家佢會做出咁樣嘅嘢。
Sammy?
Dog eyes，
Dog Eyes did it. Is that what Johnny told you?
幾多錢都唔值得。阿威啊，呢種生意會令人黐線嘅。我叫 Winston， 係我錯嘅，我鼓勵佢。而家揾佢，帶佢嚟呢度。
Check it, La. What is he, man? Stop messing around.
What the fuck, man?
Let's work something out here, okay?
屌，你都唔撚係路嘅。
Oh shit! Move! Move! Come and get me, huh? 屌你老母啊！Hey, you suck off Winston before he died? Huh, Wes? Or were you just kissing and feeling each other, huh? Mimi, she wasn't shy like that. No, you flashed a little dope and the panties disappeared. Anything happens to me, Big Smiley is going to send Tom to ask questions. You got it, Wes? Huh?
What's going on?
Duke, get down to the docks. I'm gonna need a pickup now.
Got it. On my way.
You don't know what you're messing with, Shed, huh? You're gonna get yourself killed, man. Give it up, you fuck. It's Wade. Give it up, fucking guy. You're gonna die screaming, Wade. Huh? You don't know what you're messing with, Jen, huh? Come on! Give it up, you fuck! Break his fingers! Go, man! Go, man! Hit him in the neck! Get him! Get him now! What the fuck you want, man?
You've done some bad things, Sammy.
What did you call me? Huh? Nobody call me that anymore. This is about me balling your fucking sister, isn't it? Huh? You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Wake up, little brother. It's not like I put that needle in her arm. You can't take this stuff personally, Wei. It was business. You know what I'm saying?
Not to me, it wasn't.
If you don't like it, you take it up with Big Smiley. He's the one who needs the pussy. I was doing my job. Oh, fuck, man. Is this what this is all about?
Yeah. And Winston. And Peggy.
Fuck!
You're coming with me.
Look, maybe we can cut a deal. All right, stop all this shit, man. And I'll make sure that Big Smiley cuts you in on one of the side business. Maybe the fucking whole damn thing. I mean, hey, we can be generous, okay? Yeah, he's gonna be the future chairman of the fucking Solomon Yi.
Yeah? You and Big Smiley are pretty close, huh?
Yeah, we're tight, like motherfucking brothers.
Me and Winston, we were tight too.
Get him! Get him now! Oh yeah. Take your time, boys. Make him suffer. Give it up, you fuck! Yeah, give it up, huh? Because I can do this all night. Listen, you're gonna regret this.
Wait! Wait up! The car's over here!
Hey, fuck!
Where are we going?
To the restaurant.
What's going on?
We're bringing him to Mrs. Chu. She has something she wants to tell him.
Mrs. Chu, all right.
Let me out, you assholes!
We could take care of this ourselves.
Believe me, I'm tempted. But you and me handle this and it'll happen fast. This son of a bitch deserves the worst we can give him.
You're the boss, Wei. Coming up fast! Think we're rid of them?
We'll see. Some good driving there.
Thanks, man. Oh, what the fuck you doing, huh? Wait!
Sit down and shut the fuck up.
Jesus, I haven't been here in fucking years.
Sammy 啊，我為咗你一路開住個廚房，你睇我留埋啲骨喺裏面，你中意噶嘛？係咪啊
It's cool, Mrs. Chu. I already ate.
你同我食晒佢，食咗佢。
Wait, hey! What the fuck are you doing? I'm not fucking hungry! Oh!
Sammy，你避下我面，我特登為你做噶，唔使驚，唔係淨係你一個人，你個朋友 Johnny 啊，老鼠仔佢都喺呢度喎。
What the fuck? He's crazy!
佢而家大湯裏面，或者我將你放喺煲湯裏
Wait,
面。
if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
Sorry. It's nothing personal. Just business.
Oh God! I'm sorry, please! No!